Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Binance. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Binance, and you need to open Binance website, and you need to log in into your account. So once you log in, so let me show you how you can do that. So this is in the normal mode. So how you can enable dark mode, you simply need to click on this moon icon on the top right, and now you can see that your Binance is in dark mode. Let me show you once again by going into the dashboard. So here you can see that my Binance is in dark mode. So this is the simple process by which you can enable dark mode in Binance. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.